Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcome back on our channel, and in this video I would like to show you an automation technique by which you can automatically connect your WooCommerce store with an accounting and invoicing application called as Allegra. So let's dive right in and let me show you how it's going to happen. So guys, to create this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and the flow of our automation will look something like this. As and when your product got sold from your WooCommerce store, the person who have purchased the product will be created as a contact in Allegra automatically, okay, so that you can create invoices for him or her, or you can use the features of Allegra. Okay, so let's automate this together. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So guys, please do check the link that we have in the description, from where you can reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes. After that, you can log in and reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any relevant or suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as send WooCommerce customer to Allegra automatically. Okay. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And here on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, that means the trigger is an event, and this event is acting as a signal for this workflow to run. Okay, so when this happens, that means when this event occurs, this workflow has to run and perform an action. Okay, so in our use case, the trigger would be creation of a customer or creation of an order in our WooCommerce store, and the action to that trigger is to send the customer to Allegra automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window and choose your trigger application. So our trigger application is WooCommerce, you can see here. So select WooCommerce from here, and then you have to select the trigger event. So trigger event would be a new order created or a new order. We have two triggers that we can use: order updated or new order created. Both of those work for us. Okay, so actually, if the payment has arrived, that means the order is fully completed, then we can use a new order created. Or if the person choose cash on delivery option, so the order will be updated when the purchase got completed after the delivery, so that in that case we can use order updated. Okay, so you can use both of these options. I'm using here new order created option, and it will give us this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this, we are going to connect our WooCommerce store so that we can capture the data of the purchase happening or sale happening there to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you just have to click on copy here. Okay, and as you copy this URL, it will start showing this waiting for the webhooks response. Okay, now you have to go to your WooCommerce dashboard. Okay, so I'm opening the dashboard of WordPress where I have WooCommerce plugin. Here it is, and from this WooCommerce, I'm going to this settings option. Here is the settings, and in this settings page, you have to find this advanced tab here. Click on advanced tab, and when the advanced tab will open up, you from this page you have to click on this webhooks option. Okay, so click on webhooks like this, and from here you have to click on this add webhook button to attach our webhook here. So click on this add webhook button. Okay, and another page will open up, and from here we can set up our webhook. So you have to give a name to your webhook setup. So you can write any name as Allegra contact. Okay, and keep the status as active, and you can select the topic as order created or updated. You can choose both of the things. Here I am selecting order created, and here in this delivery URL you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here. Okay, so you have to paste this URL here in this delivery URL field like this, and then you have to click on this save webhook button. Okay, so you can see our webhook is getting saved here. So now the webhook is saved, and when the webhook is saved in Pabbly Connect, it will show you this webhook ID. Okay, now you have to click here on this recapture webhook response button so that we can capture the response or a demo purchase or demo sale happening from our WooCommerce store to here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data only we are going to set up that automation further. Okay, so click here on this recapture button, click on yes, and you can see it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. Okay, now this means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to make a demo sale, demo purchase from WooCommerce store so that we can capture the data. So I'm going to my WooCommerce store. I'm going to click on visit store option, visit store page. Okay, and the server stores page, and I'm going to purchase this dashing black t-shirt. Okay, I'm adding this product to cart. Okay, and from here I'm going to click on checkout, proceed to checkout. You can see. Okay, and here I'm going to fill the details of the customer like this. Okay, Karan Kapoor is our customer, and we have all these details of this person. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this place order button, and you will see that order is getting placed here. So we have chosen cash on delivery option actually. Okay, and you can see the order is processing here, and you can see the order is received here. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we get the data of this order. So it's still waiting for the response. It might take a few moments here. And you can see here we got the data of the customer in this response received section. Here you can see the details like this: Karan Kapoor, the address, and the number, and all other details of the order, cash on delivery. Okay, so we got the data. Now I want to create a contact in my Allegra here. I want to add this person that whose data we have just received here in Pabbly Connect, and I want to add this person here in the client section of Allegra application. Okay, so that we can create invoice or do accounting things with the help of this application. Okay, so to make this happen automatically, what you have to do, you have to click on this actions tab, and here you have to choose your action application as Allegra. Okay, so type here Allegra, here it is, select this, and then in the action event you have to select this create contact option. So guys, Allegra application is most widely used in Latin America and Colombia. So we have two endpoints here. One is create endpoint. This endpoint is for Indian and American users, and we have another endpoint here. Let me show you. Create contact in Colombia. Okay, so this endpoint is exclusively for people in Colombia and Latin America, so that they can use this endpoint, because they have to select they need to select there the type of persons in Allegra, if it is a legal person or a company, or if it is a normal person or a human. Okay, for this we have created this endpoint because we have received the queries from those region. Okay, so people living in Colombia and Latin America can use this endpoint. Now I am using this create contact because I am here in India. Okay, so I'm using in create contact option, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the username or the email address and the token. So guys, you need to go to your Allegra's dashboard and log in there, and from this configurations page you will find the user ID and the token. So by clicking here on this link you can reach that page. I'm opening this link on the new tab, and here it will show this configurations window of Allegra, and you can see this is the username. I'm copying this, okay, and I have to paste the username here, and here is the token. So copy the token from here only and paste the API token or API key here in this field, okay, like this. Then you have to click on save, and you'll see that will be connected with Allegra, okay. Now it is asking for the name and all these fields to create a client in Allegra, okay. So I'm going to map the details that we have received from the first step like this, okay. So to map the details, what you have to do, you just have to click on this name field, and it will show you this drop down WooCommerce order created option, and from here you can find the name of the customer like this. Click on the name to map it like this, okay. So I'm mapping the full name here, and if you have received the identification information of the customer, you can fill it here. Right now I do not have it, so I'm leaving this blank. For the email, I'm using the same place, and from here I'm going to map the email like this, okay. And for the primary phone number, the secondary, so if you have all the details, you can fill it. I have the mobile number, so I'm going to map the mobile number as well, okay. Where it is, this is the mobile number, okay. And here in the contact type, you can select the type of the contact. It is a client or a service provider. Here in this case, it is our client or customer, so I'm selecting client. In the address, we can map the address that we got. Let me show you. Okay, here it is. This is the address, and we do have the city also. So this is the city, and verify unregistered identification, I'm selecting is don't verify, okay. So because we do not have the identification number, so I'm selecting don't verify. Include link to customer account statement. So if you are creating an invoice or a statement from Allegra and you want to include any link to that statement, you can make it yes or no, okay. So I'm currently making it no. You can use all such features of Allegra from here only, okay. Now let's check our connection by clicking on save and send test request. I can see if the client is creating here or not. So I am clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. So it is showing this kind of a response here. Now let's check in my clients list of Allegra if we got the data. I'm refreshing this page here, and you can see we have this contact as Karan Kapoor, okay, and we have all the details. You can see in the see details option, we have all the details received from Pabbly Connect like this. So our connection is working fine, and we are done creating this automation. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, I selected the trigger application as WooCommerce, and with the help of this URL, we connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect, then captured a demo response of a demo purchase here like this. Then I connected Allegra in this action step to create a contact there, and I have used create contact option. You can people residing in Latin America or Colombia, you can use create contact in Colombia endpoint, okay, right. Then I have mapped the details like these, and we are done here. And guys, you have to set up this automation. You have to make this connection and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, whenever you receive any purchase from your WooCommerce store, the data will be captured by Pabbly Connect and automatically delivered to Allegra as a new contact, okay. And the good part is I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can use it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using this automation instantly. And do not forget to save this workflow also. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.